However, if those 21 variants in the 19 genes in the brain's pathways interfere with the masculinization of the brain, the child will be born phenotypical male with genitals XY, but the brain will have remained in the default female state.
That's so fascinating that every fetus starts out female.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
And then there's a recipe, and if the recipe is not right, if this soup that you're talking about is not right.
You're on the mark. Now, in the XX fetus, in the latter part of the third trimester, the brain must remain in the default female state. Now, not as much testosterone as in the XY fetus, but there's still sufficient testosterone that'll be modified through the aromatase enzyme into synthesized estrogen with an attempt to masculinize the brain of the XX fetus. DNA methylation will block that from occurring, allowing the brain to remain in the female state. So at birth, you have a phenotypical female with a female brain. It's an oversimplification because it's much more complex than what I've just shared with you.
I can just imagine.
Okay.